asin!
So, going back, after nung incident na yon, pagbaba ko ng stage, kinuha ko yung amulet ko, my own pamahiin, and then I went to her, she's going down at the stage, and then nag-ihip ako sa kanya.
Paasin ba mo?
Ganyan. So, pagka-ihip ko sa kanya, super tapang ng face ni girl at binalik niya sa akin like this.
Asin, asin, asin!
So now, how come nasasabihin mong hindi mo sinadya na lagyan ako ng asin if nung nakita mo akong nag-blow sa'yo is binalik mo rin sa akin? So it only means one thing, you are aware of what's happening. So why are you trying to play victim here? Bakit mukhang ikaw yung sinungitan, ikaw yung minalditahan, ikaw yung pinransyahan or whatever? No, girl. Let's all be honest here. Let's not fake our emotions. Now, etong asin-asin kasi na to, matagal na yan pamahiin. Matagal na siyang pamahiin sa pageantry. And ako, ilang beses ko na na-experience niya na nasabuyan ako ng asin. Ginagawa nila yan dahil tinataboy nila yung luck mo, yung swerte mo. Kumbaga parang if they think that you'll win or ikaw yung magsashine that night, aalisin nila yan, sasabuyan ka nila ng asin. And I think that's totally okay kung yan yung paniniwala mo. But at least do it in a very discreet way, yung walang makakakita or walang makakabuking. And na-offend talaga ako doon and I was really hurt.
Hola, buenas noches, Cagayanon. Bonita, hermosa, magnifica, muy guwapa. Ang lahat ng iyon ay Latin. Ngunit, hindi po yun horem. Asin, asin, asin! Tambal o pangontra sa horem-horem! This woman standing in front of your naked eye is no other than the trending, the hot topic, ang babaeng nagpaingay sa publiko. Oo, ako nga po. I am your Miss Mandirigma Asin Queen. Paasin ba mo? This is Kirk Verdudozo Popiolek, your reigning brilliant queen, your first ever Tondo Fairy Queen, and your reigning Miss Gay Philippines. And I am proud and dignified to represent my beloved barangay, the place celebrating the Layag Festival, Barangay Puerto